Okay. Uh, this is KP, Louisville's legend. Okay. KP, Louisville's legend, the watchdog for injustice. On this video, it's going to be on mail outs. That's my latest thing. And what I got on the table over there, I'm going to I ain't got my. I'm gonna go buy me a little hand thing in a minute and do this a little bit better. But I'm doing it from a ghetto point of view. I'm a broke millionaire. Ha, that's funny to me. So let me show you these things up close and personal. This stack right there. This stack right here. Look at it, you can count them. There's two of them on the bottom, 1, 2, and then 2 on top of that. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8. You right? 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's 8 letters getting ready to go out. Oh yeah, that's what it is. That's 8 letters getting ready to go out. Oh yeah. The time is 3:05, y'all. Thursday, the 8th. We got all of that on top of all of these are ready to go out. So that 8 over there is 8. And you see I got these folded this particular way. 2 on top of that, and then 2. You see how I'm doing? 4. And I made me a list as to where all of these are going. So that 8 becomes 10, and then I got all of these. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, these two are together. 18, 19 letters. Then I got to do, when you do these, when you find whatever's going to support your claim, like this, just pick any one of them. This, for example, this is showing that the Commonwealth attorney could have it went on from some joint thing. The Commonwealth attorney knew of a lot of my claims. Exonerated man and victims found and wants independent investigation. Husband and wife, persons of interest in the murder. So they are. You can't blame Kerry Porter for being angry over his wrongful conviction. Kerry Porter's National Register. Police questions exonerated man's innocence. Now look at those two together. National Register of Exoneration and police question. This is only in Louisville, Kentucky, for police to question Kerry Porter, Kentucky innocence time, and Porter's city dwarfing wrongful conviction suit. The city is. See, they let Louisville get away with too much stuff. So I'm doing a cover letter on, what's my color? Write a letter of publicly known of bias, targeted discrimination, trial by the press. See, Thomas Wine and the Commonwealth Attorney's Office or Louisville Metro government allow all of this right here to go down, all these bad things to go down. And it leads me to this right here. But when they know this is an issue, and this is an issue that we don't trust, the little blacks in Louisville do not trust the Louisville police. So you do a letter on every one of these, y'all. I'll just set it aside right now. Like this one, almost on the same thing. Look at this real close. Right there. However, let's see. There isn't enough evidence. Where's what I'm looking for? There's still not enough evidence to record. Oh, yeah. However, there's still enough on his record to make him a convicted felon. That means he can't have any guns. So, this is publicly known in a newspaper article with me telling them my defense. This is in rebuttal to me saying this barbershop deal with WHAS. In this barbershop deal, more WHAS documents. Okay, I went and told WHAS that the Louisville stole, there was 25 guns in my home. 25, 28 guns in my home. I don't even remember how many, but I know it was over 25. Last I count, I bound and just throw them on the pile. Here's where I see it at. Where's the 25 at? Right here. He said he had 25 guns. It's a lot of handguns and 2 rifles to protect himself. That's what I was talking about. That don't really, that's not how I meant it. I meant that they took a lot of more. I had a lot of rifles, AR-15s, AK-47s, 308 high power, and this and that. Well, they know what they took, and they know why they took it. I'm a hunter though. I do a lot of guns had scopes on them, some had laser beams on them. The point of it is they say that still enough, they're saying one side of the law that a convicted felon can't have guns. And as I explained to you people, a convicted felon, there is a justification defense. It's a legal justification defense. What would otherwise would be a crime will be justified upon certain circumstances. My circumstances is, where is it at? Where is my circumstance at? Let me see if I can find my circumstance. Where is it at? What did I do with that daggone letter? Well, I was looking for a letter in which threatening letter. Here it is. I got it. Here is the justification to the gun case. We have received, who's this from? When I came in from work this morning, I had an email from Sergeant Burbanks. Oh, you can't really see it. Let's see if we can do it like this. Okay, that's better. Email from Sergeant Burbanks. And it says right here at the bottom, we have received credible information from sources we will not be revealing. That means withholding evidence. Kerry Porter is a potential target for Juan Sanders upon his leaving of KRS. So the Louisville police get this warning right there, y'all, in black and white. And they act as though, and this is a justification. So you put these two together. This document I just read it, y'all. Put these two together, and you show them this right here is KRS 503.020 to 060, justification, choice of evil, and necessity. And this over here is KRS 527.020. A convicted felon cannot supposed to have a handgun. That's for you people that don't know no damn better. I know better. I'm going to keep guns. Constitution Second Amendment says you can have them. You can have guns all day long. They ain't no toys to a responsible person. I'm a responsible person. I took guns off the streets and did a little favor. Because those guns that were on the street, y'all took, okay, let's look at it. Y'all took 17 guns from me. 17 guns from me. But not a 9 gun had any crime on it. How's that? Oh, stolen gun. Yeah, you're right. You're damn right. I don't give a damn if they stolen or not. Because I got a hit on my head, and that's one gun that ain't going to kill me, a kid. Hey, you police. I'm not so evil that I want police dead or nothing. So I buy the guns for their protection as well. I buy for everybody's protection. If a gun's on the streets, somebody's gonna buy them. Somebody's gonna buy them. The wrong person. I'm the right person, man. Now the Lord will prove my point that I'm responsible. They prove my point. They look bad. I'm gonna say it at a press conference. Now one of them guns had a nine, didn't have rape, robbery, murder, assault in the first degree. None of them guns did anything. Like these young kids got these guns. They catch them with guns. They got bodies on them. I'm supposed to be a killer. I'm supposed to be police question Porter's innocent. How you gonna question my innocence when I got 17 guns with no bodies on them? No, nothing on them. Y'all prove my point. Y'all keep on proving my point. Y'all see that stack right there? That's money. That's money. That's money. I don't mean necessarily your way. That's a lot of stamps to pay for. That's money. But you can count this as, you can see this. Y'all see them little young boy, these are stacks. These are $100 bill stacks. The blues. Blues. I know about them blues. I'm having the blues right now. So, this is what I got going on. I got to do 14 more letters. I got 10 right there, 2 right here. That's 12 and 14. And that's just some of and I'm going to keep on going because I got something. This one right here. Let's look at this one. This is on my judge. That's her. That's my judge. And be squeak and corny. And she says this little dumb thing. Anything worth doing is worth doing half-ass. Or maybe it would be better said, anything worth doing is worth trying, even if you don't do it well. Well, Miss Angela, Judge Angela, you didn't do my job well because you violated my civil rights. You said you said that you was going to let the 911 call in, and you said these fines that I'm going to put in court for a civil rights violation. Your client, move stuff out of the way. Your client isn't going to sit there and act as if he's done nothing wrong when I can clearly hear this girl screaming for her life in the background. I is personal. Her feelings are valid. Saying that your client is going to sit there, that means and then act like. So she's using the word act in vain. She's saying act like he's done nothing wrong. Act versus screaming for her life. Act right here and clearly hear this girl screaming. So we got screaming versus act like he's done nothing wrong. So she became one. She lost her role. She was the prosecuting attorney. She was the arresting officer. She was a biased judge. She was a person because she said I, personal feeling. And she became a prosecuting attorney and just other things. Presumption of innocence is gone. Due process to putting on evidence is gone. Confrontation, she didn't have to confront her. She's proven too many things, and that's a violation of civil rights. So, Angela McCormick, you get a thumbs down, dude. I'm going to end this video and wake up tomorrow morning. I was tired. But it's 3-something. I'm going to take these envelopes. I'm messing up what I just cleaned up halfway. I'm going to take these envelopes. You see how they got addresses on? I got to put stamps on. But these over here ain't got no address on. So I got to make this stack like this stack and make it one tall stack. So I'm going to sit here all night and do up these. And then I'm going to be ready to mail out over 100-something documents. I do, where's my list at? What did I do with it? What did I do with my list? I had a list of Other mail. Well, I'm going to end this thing. KP, Lord was Watchtower, for injustice to my people. I'll do another video early in the morning. I'm out of here. It's Thursday, y'all. I'm up all night. I told you I used to do this stuff 18 hours a day. And I got hard evidence of Louisville, Kentucky's injustice. See y'all in the morning. KP, I'm out of here at 5:31. I'm making 3:57, 1, 5, 3, 7 now.